Welcome to 4052 North Auburn. My name is Josh, the other half of Class Alpha. This is a project we just wrapped up. Took us a couple months.
First off, we did a full black fireplace with a white mantel. Everything in here is gonna be black and white. Customer's request. I really like the vibe. That's kind of how I did my house. You got a tricorn black with a Greek Villa paint, and then offset with some pure white ceilings and cabinets. And we also have a new black back door. Actually, it's white. Slides like a gem. In this kitchen here, we've got an ice top, white backsplash with a black grout, all new cabinetry, easy open, but even better, easy close. Ooh. Here we have it, black sink, faucet, black window. But the flooring and the cabinets and the countertops all come from Mid-America granite. Our buddy Dave Williamson, shout out BNI. I really like this beam too. This house is really well built. All these super large, oversized structural beams keep it nice and stable. Even throughout the house, there's I-beams in the basement. Anything that's built in the 70s seems like they really took time with the craftsmanship to make sure that it was built well. All new carpet. Still got some finishing touches to do. We still got to get the faucet on, but you get the idea. Same theme, white, black fixtures. Same in here. We got the Pfister faucet. I think they got everything hooked up. Yes, sir, they do. All brand new, everything. First bedroom, guest bedroom, children's bedroom, your butler's bedroom, whoever's bedroom. This is the first one. Got a good view of the outside. Beautiful Bel Air, Kansas. Everything's new. New doors, new trim, new ceilings, new lights. Bedroom number 2, just to your left. This would be my homie hangout spot right here. Got a nice little view of the backyard, nice big windows. And again, with the design, it really looks well with the black closet. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the master bedroom. Again, you got the nice big beams, mirror closets, 2 large windows with the view of the backyard. Same theme, ice tops, shower, and the new light bar and mirror. It's got some class. It's got some class. Check it out. You got a weather main out there. You can tell what the weather's doing. So this is your half basement. It's like another little bonus room, office area, I would say. And then your own little bathroom. And that's not all. Another basement. And another living room. That's 3 living rooms, 1 house. So far, you've seen 4 bedrooms, and I've got 2 more to show. All right, and that's the house.
Hey, I'm Josh, one of the owners of Class Alpha Services. This Auburn project is a good example of how we don't just help investors build and renovate flips, we also help showcase the finished product so they stand out in the market. We know investors are busy, so our goal is to help take the projects from a rough idea to a polished final product, including helping market the transformation once it's completed.